Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about how to overcome creative frustrations, and these are 5 ways that you can apply right now if you're feeling stuck, full of self-doubt, uninspired in your creative journey. For the first one is know your whys. Why you want to create, draw, or paint. Sometimes we tend to get sidetracked because there are many goals we want to achieve. When you have clear goal, you want it to be or where are you heading to, no matter how many times you experience creative or art blocks, you will be able to overcome it. Why? Because by having big whys. It is a kick in your butt that will going to keep you back on tracks. Keep going. So when was the last time that you write your goals or art goals? And if you haven't yet or you don't have yet, think about it and write it down and make it specific as possible. Yes, write your goal. You could also write your goal in the comment section right now, just one, and be specific. For the next one is change your medium. Sometimes when you are drawing, painting, with just one medium, it does feel boring, right? And if you have been drawing or trying to paint for a while, give yourself time to explore other tools. It is like give yourself a commercial or it's like icebreaker. And by doing this, you are allowing yourself to push boundaries too by creating something that is out of your comfort zone and achieving different results that can lead to many outlet or ideas, possibilities, or even perspective. So some changes allows you or allow yourself to fail, but not for a long time. See, you are giving yourself a chance to breathe and freedom to play around, and that's another great way to deal with art blocks instead of frustration. You kind of turn it into a motivation too. So for the fourth one is do unrelated art. Unrelated art things like cleaning, organizing your art space, or just like doing certain house chores. And there are a lot of things that you can divert your energy to other chores. So the power of distraction can give yourself a challenge to breathe, give some space in your brain. This is definitely similar to digital detox or social media detox. Instead of scrolling through your phone all day on Instagram, you give yourself a chance to just sit and do some other things. Even though you are not painting or drawing, you're still being productive and developing some ideas while you're doing other things. And for number 5, push yourself a little bit. Yes, how to put yourself some pressure. You can definitely by making some deadline. It needs to be achievable, so adding a specific time or deadline is definitely very helpful, because if you are just writing your goal, there's no action, no deadline, no time limit, it is a perfect recipe for frustration. Want to be productive or remove your creative blocks. Another way to do it too is to give yourself prompts or join in a different drawing or painting challenges, like joining in Tover. And there are a lot of ways that you can push yourself by giving yourself different kinds of subject to draw or paint. And this will going to help you level up and move one step at a time. And the next one is rest. So too much pressure can give you a lot of art blocks and anxiety. So go take a rest. And if you've been painting or drawing for a long time non-stop for the whole week, it can be really frustrating. It can be really overwhelming or tiring to do all these things continuously without having a break. And if you are overachiever or super really high with high expectation just to reach the certain goal, it really tiring. So just have to remember that you need to consider your well-being too. Actually, I made a Skillshare class for that. It is about art. Go outside and connect with nature. If you want to check it out, you can click the link below. Right now, if you've been painting for a long time and you need some social media detox, it can help you to bounce back to your creative practice. And lastly, for my last tip or bonus tip is take action. So procrastination can leave you a lot of self-doubt and feel uninspired, and it can really chain you up. But by taking action, you are cutting all that noise inside in your head to step out of your comfort zone, or just do something, take baby step. And if you are allowing yourself or having this healthy mindset, just giving positive mindset to yourself, it is really very important. So there you go, guys. Those are 5 ways on how to overcome creative frustration right now. And if you have any ideas of what to draw or super overwhelmed over what to draw or how to start to draw, or looking for drawing ideas, just visit my playlist there. I have some couple of ways to fill your sketchbook. You can check it out if you want to. I'll leave the link on my Skillshare classes too in the description below. If you don't know where to start, I have one, how to start a sketchbook, simple line drawings for beginners. You can check it out so you can get started in your creative journey. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to. So there you go, guys. I hope I help you on how to overcome your creative frustration today or right now. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Keep going, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!